Oh, we've got a real jewel here today. We have a 1975 Ford Bronco Ruby Red, 302 automatic, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, body off the frame, nut and bolt restoration. Just a beautiful, detailed, show quality Bronco that you can get in and drive. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this one's exceptionally nice. The body and paint's killer. Has the Bronco hood with this little raised piece right here, has the curved up fenders, but all of this is straight and fits beautifully. Aligns real nice. All the body lines are real sharp, clean, smooth rocker panels. This is called an uncut Bronco. It doesn't have the wheel well flares. This is all stock. Door jambs inside the doors, all painted beautifully. Oh, that shuts nice. Absolutely straight, no rust, no bubbles, no dents, no damage, no funny body work. All looking real nice. The hardtop obviously painted to match the truck, and it's done with the same level of quality as the truck itself. It's polished smooth like glass, but all of this is outstanding. You can see the reflection of my hand in the paint everywhere. It's just a mirror. It's a ruby red metallic. The metallic is laid out very evenly, and this thing is polished like glass. Clear coat finish, obviously. And all of the trim is new or redone. All the moldings down the side, the mirrors, even around the window frame here, that's all been polished. All looking sharp. It has some upgraded billet hinges, the Bronco emblem, the antenna, all that's replaced. The lenses, chrome bumpers up front, the emblems, the lenses, the bezels, all of that's redone, all beautiful. All new glass, all the way around the sides and the back. That's a smoked glass, not tinted, but smoked. The windshield's new too, and again, look at the moldings are all real sharp. 15-inch Ultra wheels. They're polished aluminum. They're polished very nicely with some BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. They look really sharp. This has an optional chrome spare tire carrier, big chrome hinges and brackets, all looking really nice. And this opens up like so. And this is a BF Goodrich tire that's never been used, matches the rest of them on a chrome rim. All right, let's open this thing up. So look how sharp everything is. All the paint's beautiful. All the shiny stuff is shiny. Bumper's chrome. You got stainless handle here. Painted on the inside beautifully. Tailgate, the window opened real nice. So the whole inside's upholstered on this one. You have these nice side panels with the cloth inserts, matches the seats, and it's completely carpeted. The wheel wells, front to back is carpeted. Looks really nice back here. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. If you enjoy our videos and haven't been to our website, please do. You're going to enjoy looking at all the cars we have and everything else you can think of, antique boats. And so all the inside metal is painted as nice as the outside metal. It has new door latches. The door panels are custom upholstered to match the rest of the interior. The armrests, window cranks, they've been replaced. 3,050 miles, that's since the full body off frame restoration. And it looks like it has no miles on it. It's that fresh. All painted, all clean, nice dash pad, nice billet bezel. All the knobs look great. This is a digital retro stereo. All of this is beautiful here. It is a fuel injected vehicle, so it has the screen here, adjusting the MSD ignition right there. All nice, clean. Got floor mats over the beautiful carpet. This is the high and low. Got seat belts. These are the factory style seats. They've been all recushioned, reupholstered. And then in back, it's got the matching matching upholstered seat, and again, all carpeted, seatbelts for everyone. All painted real nice, and if you look up, the headliner is all redone. Now these tops do come off. It's a bit of a chore, but they do come off. New visors. This has an upgraded wiper system. It's all covered up. The original is just kind of a bulky, ugly kind of thing sitting there. The mirror's new. Nice leather grip steering wheel on a polished tilt column. Underneath the dash all looks real nice. Automatic shifter. So yeah, this is a good one here, folks. These Broncos are crazy popular. So this is a high-performance 302 motor. Motor's actually painted the same color as the truck. It has Edelbrock polished aluminum heads, Edelbrock polished aluminum intake, the Phytech fuel injection, MSD ignition system. I like the Ford Racing valve covers and plug wire holders. They look like stainless steel headers. And then the entire engine bay painted beautifully, all the components, everything's proper. Here's the MSD ignition system. Look at this nice billet bracket holding down the battery. New Power Master alternator. Then up front here we got aluminum radiator. Shroud. Fan looks new. The pulleys, everything looks new. Aluminum water pump. We got chrome power steering. Got new horns, washer fluid bottle, new power brakes, and again, every nut, bolt, bracket, just everything. It all looks brand new. Michael's going to show you how nice it drives. Got some more chrome. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Look at this Bronco here, man. It's got to be one of the better ones out there. Undercarriage, like brand new on this thing. Basically every component, I think. Definitely get on our website and check out pictures of the undercarriage. Without a doubt, no disappointments there. Knockout rotisserie restoration on this one. Screaming 302 under the hood. Nice build with fuel injection. And yeah, C4 automatic transmission. Got a Bluetooth radio here. It does have Sirius XM capabilities as well. 4-wheel drive system with the Wild Horses shifter there. Power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. This is the way to build a Bronco right here. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Holy cow. What a ride, man. She's a ripper, and I was like literally only like halfway in the throttle. This thing is quick. This is probably one of the fastest Broncos I've ever driven. And it has a good ride quality to it too, as you can see, not bouncing all over the road or not hard to handle. Just a really, really nice ride and a great build. Totally digging it. This thing's a heck of a lot of fun. And top quality restoration, in my opinion. So you don't take my word for it. Come on down to beautiful Volo, Illinois. Contact our sales department with a day's notice, and you can take it for a test drive around the same block if you'd like to. We'd love to see you out here.
So this was body up, the frame restored, and when I said it doesn't look like it has 3,000 miles, it looks like it was just done. That's because even underneath it's spotless. All the nuts, the bolts, everything is just fresh. So this is a working four-wheel drive. Suspension, steering was rebuilt, the springs, the shocks were replaced. Looks like a steering stabilizer up there. It is upgraded to disc brakes at all four wheels, power disc brakes. It's a complete dual stainless steel exhaust system. It's got dual fuel tanks. And the floors under here are pristine. They're painted black. All the chassis components, all painted beautifully. Looking up at the motor, it's still spotless. It has a C4 automatic transmission. It's a 9-inch rear end, and again, that's all painted smooth and spotless. It's a really clean truck. This one is not lifted, and a lot of people will tell you these will ride better than one that is lifted. They're not as squirrely. And again, it's an uncut body, so it has a nice vintage charm with some nice modern touches to it. So go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, like how to get your Bronco delivered home. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.